Hello, algebra students. I'm going to give you a quick rundown of how to determine if a line has a positive slope or a negative slope. That way we don't have to worry about trying to remember if going up or down is positive or negative, going left or right is positive or negative. We just know in the end we're either going to have a positive number or a negative number. So if I look at my first graph, that is a positive slope. As we go from left to right, we are going up. So we will have a positive number. Then I can go and actually find the 2 points that are on the line. That one looks good. It crosses right in my crosshairs. And it looks like this one is a great spot. Now remember, to find slope, it's the change in y over the change in x. So the change in my y values are 2, and the change in my x values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have to make sure this number is a positive number, which it is because I don't have a negative, and my slope is 2 over 5. It's 2/5. When I look at this car example, as I go left to right, my numbers are going down. So any line that looks like this and goes this direction, I don't care how steep it is, our answer has to be a negative answer in the end. Then we can go back and find 2 different points that are kind of nice to work with. I like that one and I like that one. Remember, it's change in y over change in x. So I went from 160 all the way down to 0. Notice I'm not counting 1, 2, 3, 4 because we're not counting by ones. We moved 160 spots over my change in x. Now we are counting by ones. I just moved 4 spots. Here's my slope, but we have to remember it has to be a negative number. And then I also have to remember that I need to simplify 160 divided by 4. And I know that 4 goes into 160 40 times. So my slope is actually negative 40, or you could write it as negative 40 over 1, making sure that we still have that negative symbol there. I'm not going to calculate numbers for these 3, but we just look at them. Okay, is it positive or negative? Do I have to have a positive slope or a negative slope? If that's the first thing we can do, we are hopeful that you can get 100% on your pluses or minuses. If I look at this one, we're going down, it's negative. This one, we're going up, it's positive. This one over here, it's going up again, that's positive. So we had negative on this one, so our answer will be a negative number. This one was a positive number, and this one is a positive number. Now, when you do your homework, your assignment, you're going to have to actually calculate the numbers like we did up here. But for these, I'm not going to. I just need to know it's a negative, a positive, and a positive. Have a great week, and I will see you soon.